First plowing of the season. Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name's Roy, if you don't already know. Today is December 3rd. Last night was our first official snowfall, real snowfall. We got like, I don't know, 5 inches of snow. So I got out this morning. I waited till this morning when it was all done to plow. Got my truck all set up with my plow on it. So all that truck is for plowing. I don't drive it no more. I push my banks back real far so in case we get some more snow throughout the year, my banks are pushed back far enough so I can keep pushing more snow back. And now, of course, my driveway all the way down there. My little birdies, got to plow them out. And I always plow out the front yard because then that's where I move my cars. Because this is where we park our cars here. First plow. Back in the fall, I put up these plow stakes. I put them right here, along the way. Because if you watched some of my previous videos, I put in a flower bed right here, flower beds. So I put these plow stakes in along so I don't hit it, so I can know where it is. If you're interested in these plow stakes, there'll be a link in the description below if you need any. I usually mark off, I marked this off. I marked off over here a little bit, so there's a couple stakes because we got some flowers there too. Let's see. Down by my shed, I got a couple stakes down here just to mark off where I don't want to plow because there's a big stone here. So I got a stake there and a stake there to mark off where the big stone is, and right there, and then boom, my little ramp to get inside my shed. But yeah, and I got a couple at the end of the driveway where the culverts are, so when I go off and plow off into the ditch here, I don't go over. But the ground really didn't freeze, so I have a couple divots, if you want to call them that. A couple divots here in the lawn where I took up some sod, but ground is still soft. Well, anyway, I haven't posted in a while, so I just wanted to throw this out there, because it's it's wintertime now, so a lot of my e-biking, camping, outdoor stuff, well, it's going to be on hold until at least the spring probably. So I'll have to figure out what else I'm going to do. Like, last winter I talked to you a little bit on, different subjects and stuff. So, maybe I'll get back into that. I've been away for, not away. I've been away from social media for a little bit. I've been busy with work. Just didn't get on, I wasn't feeling in the mood. I was getting home late. Didn't really want to, one of those moods, couldn't get motivated because, been busy with work and stuff. But anyway, I want to try to get back into, posting some more videos. It probably won't be every week, but I'll try to get out at least once a month for the winter time. When springtime comes, get back into biking and stuff, I'll put out some more videos. But till the meantime, hope you all stay warm wherever you are, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.